Hello friends, this is the bonus spelling list for Unit 19. Make sure your name is on your paper and let's begin. Word number 1, flock. A flock of geese flew overhead. Flock. Word number 2, gloomy. Monday was very gloomy. Gloomy. Number 3, slippery. The ice is slippery. Slippery. Number 4, flower. She wore a pink flower in her hair. Flower. Number 5, sledding. If we get enough snow, we can all go sledding. Number 6, clown. Ronald McDonald is a clown. Number 7, plenty. I have plenty of copies for you. Plenty. Number 8, blanket. My dog likes to sleep on a blanket. Blanket. Number 9, blue. This morning the sky was really blue. Number 10, place. Disney World is the happiest place on earth. Okay, now let's do our dictation sentences. Sentence number 1, we are some fun kids. Sentence number 2, the plant has a black spot on it. Sentence number 3, the class has a flag and a globe. That concludes our spelling test for Unit 19. Hope you did well.